Okay, 13th of May, my portfolio value is 130,000. July, 2 months later, my portfolio grew to 201,000. This is the date. Okay, so after you understand the flow of from sector, you down select the different stock, okay, and then you trade that stock. Where, for example, semiconductor earnings is going to be good. COVID-19 plays like the SCGM, the Notion, the Asia Ply, the Supermax, and all these UG Healthcare, Riverstone is going to be good. They can go up. Okay, so now next is earning season, the timing. Okay, there's such a thing called earning season in the stock market. For those of you who are new and may not know about this, okay, typically the earning season for Bursa first, okay, Bursa first, November, February, May, and August. Okay, we are already done with May. Sorry, we're already done with August. Wow, not September already. We're already done with August. So the next earning season is in November. Okay, for Singapore, it's half yearly. So every quarter, there could be some company reporting their half yearly, but most of them usually report in near August, July period, then followed by January, February period. Also, we have to watch out for that because SGX has mandate that they do not need to report quarterly anymore. Okay, it's up to them. So, but minimum they must report half yearly. Therefore, these seasons is half for the Singapore market, become day and night. Okay, day and night because half season reporting. Now, our job as the trader, okay, at least for my style, is because it is some sectors, some stocks like semiconductor is expected to report good earnings. Glove stocks is expected to report good earnings. So during in between the season is the time we do some portfolio rebalance. Okay, for example, like recently in August, I sell a lot of stock. After the earnings is out, I sold Kawan, I sold GCB, okay, I sold Hata, okay, and then rebalance means what? Means I keep the cash and then I reinvest in the new setup that I see in the stock market, in the new stock. Like for example, I may buy more technology stock, more semiconductor stock, more food processor, okay, more packaging company, okay, because those stocks going forward, the next earning in November is expected to report good earnings. So when you are trading or investing in the stock market, I don't focus only for this month, like this week, what stock can go up. I am already looking 3 months ahead into November. These companies that I think, in my own opinion, that they are going to report good earnings in November, okay, this is the time, September and October, to buy them and then sell them in November when the earnings is out or when they overshoot the earning expectation, okay, sell them and then rebalance again between December and January, prepare for February. So February, you do the same thing, you prepare for May. So this is why just now I said that you track your performance quarterly. So every quarter, if you start to make money, you top up more money into your trading account. So that is how you do it. Okay. Now let me show you my portfolio. Yeah. So this is my portfolio 13th of May. Okay. This is the May earnings. 13th of May, I am at 130,000. Okay, you can see the date is over here, published on our Chart Nexus stock charting software Facebook page. Okay, 13th of May, my portfolio value is 130,000. July, 2 months later, my portfolio grew to 201,000. This is the date. You can see the stocks are very different. Okay, you can see Chrono, MTech, OCN Cash, Revenue, okay, SCGM. Okay, I do not have Supermax over here. Okay, I only have Top Glove. And then in July, you can see that I added GCB, I added Hata, JHM, Kawan, Master, Me, OCK, Supermax. You can see from May to July, during that 2 months period, I start to rebalance. Okay, I know in May, I know which are the pop guy company that I lose money in. I sell them and reinvest the capital into companies that I saw reported good earnings and will and should report better earnings going forward. Therefore, I rebalance and buy those companies. Okay. So what about now? Let me show you my portfolio now. Okay. So the last value is 200 and 200. Okay. Okay, so this is the portfolio as correct as of now. So my value is 199,000, but because I start to take profit already, so I have got cash of 35,000 in my possession. So when you add the two together, 35,459 plus 199,993. 235,000 as of today. Okay, so my portfolio value stands at 235,000 ringgit. And you can see the stocks are all different already. Yeah? I start to change again. Now, Asia Ply, just now you never see Asia Ply in July, right? Asia Ply, Comfort, Iris, Scopenet, Tiguan. Can you see? Different from the stock in July. Now, this is very key, this is very key. Okay, I just want to spend a little bit more time here to show you the difference. This is very key. From May, the list of stock changed. Okay, July, new list of stock. Now, new list of stocks. Preparing for the next earnings season reporting in November. Okay, so this is how I do it. Rebalance after the earnings is out so that I prepare for the next 3 months. Okay.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the bell to get the notification of our new video. Also like and follow our Facebook page.